A good trainer remembers to think individual concept with the bigger picture. So the learner understand the role each piece plays. Trainer. The trainer is to develop a competency and skill set of an individual to perform his or her effectively and efficiently in the workplace. The trainer should communicate to the trainees about is what is expected out of training in a simple and professional way. The good trainer must be good communication skill, experience and passions, subject clarity in the training field. Interest in being a trainer, respect for other people, well developed and sense of a humor. The qualities of good trainer they are must learning the interpersonal skill, people skill, social skill, personal skill, sociability skills, life skills and intrapersonal skills. They have a great job and exercising with the trainer makes my quality life with go through the roof. Good communication. The communication does not mean speak in American and British English and Hindi etc. Try to convey that should reach the audience without any interruption. Use language and style based on the audience. Use clear and concise language to instruct and direct to the coach. Use your active listening skills to draw them out and fully understand them. Maintain the eye contact with the trainees. Through the subject understanding, comprehensive understanding of the subject skills, willingness to draw from your background as a bridge and foundation to the teach from the trainee, willingness to grow and update your professional development, show interest, learn new thing in your work, keep yourself update in subject for training. Experience. It helps have done the job personally well, previously experience in training. Training is taken as the experience oriented. Patience. The most powerful variance in the patience and time. New people can make the mistake while they learn. It often takes too few tries to get right. Keep it up the encouragement. Think from their end and help them to learn. It might be 10-member group with the slow learners and fast learners. Always focus your training on slow learners so both the category people get a benefited. Even though repetitive questions answer them wisely and make them to understand. Interesting in being a trainer. Mata, Pita, Guru, we are taking the third place in every person's in life. Be proud of being a guru for your people. Understand the importance and values of your work. Even though your inner character is different and trainer, you are responsible to mold your people and trainees. Be a role model of your trainers. You need to truly enjoying helping to them people and trainees. Develop your helping mentality. Seeing people grow and learn makes you feel good. Seeing other success gives you sense of your pride and satisfaction. Genuine respect for the other people. People view as being you are knowledgeable and people view as a trustful and trustworthy. Well developed and sense of a humor. You see the humor in the situations. You don't take yourself is life too seriously. Emerging trainer role. Knowing more and more about the people's learning styles, facilitating the process improvement and teaching line managers how to do it, acquiring the in-depth knowledge of the organization and mission goals, knowing the information technology and explore the use of electronic training opportunities, including development of multimedia training programs, help managers to think through the performance and solve them either through training or otherwise, help trainers to think over their jobs. New skill requirements to the trainer: listening, negotiating, coaching, awareness of different learning styles, measuring, evaluation of the trainees, strategic planning, problem solving, facilitating the organizational change, communication skill. Trainers like a qualities: role model, good communication skill, subject knowledge, enabler, mentor and developer, learner, good coach, negotiator, listener and empathy. Trainer unlike qualities: arrogant, egoist, individual approach, monopoly of wisdom, frustrated, secretive, reactive, status quist, putting others down, taking credit all that it's good. Good trainer becomes a passionate about learning and teaching. People skill the ability to work with others, good communication skills, good problem solving and research skill, high energetic and enthusiastic, great organizational skill and time management skills, encourage feedback and maturity.